Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet recipe. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and your favorite fillings like cheese or ham. Make sure you have a good 10-inch non-stick pan, a whisk, and a spatula ready to go. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, fluffy omelet. Now let's prepare our eggs for that perfect omelet texture. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a small bowl. For an extra fluffy result, add 1 tablespoon of cold water or milk. Whisk the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds, ensuring the yolks and whites are completely combined. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and black pepper to enhance the flavor. This step is crucial for a light and airy omelet. With our eggs ready, it's time to cook. Place a 10-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and swirl it around to coat the entire surface evenly. Once the butter is melted and slightly foamy, pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to begin setting. This gentle heat ensures a tender omelet. Now for the exciting part, adding your delicious fillings. Once the omelet edges are set, sprinkle your chosen ingredients onto 1/2. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes until the eggs are mostly set but still wonderfully moist. Gently fold the unfilled half over the filled side using your spatula. Slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate and enjoy your homemade culinary creation immediately. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.